come down the final stretch. It's a battle for the lead. Johnson pulling ahead. He takes the checkered flag. What a finish!
Yeah! Let's go!
Messi, you can do it! Messi, you can do it!
Looks like I won this one, Messi. Better luck next time.
You gotta go! Messi, you are a loser! I am breaking up with you!
Why did this happen to me? Why is everyone treating me like this? Come on, there has to be something here that can fix this bike. This engine will make the bike perfect. This will make the bike even better. I hope it works. Wow, you're incredible! This is amazing! Look how well you're performing! Ronaldo, today I'll teach you a lesson! Ronaldo, show me your skills! Prove them wrong! I'm ashamed of myself.
I'm so sorry, Messi, for what I did.
It's okay, Ronaldo. I forgive you.